I need you to listen.
You're trying to take my car for what?
Give me your hand. Give me your other hand now.
On the ground.
Avoid it. Have you just would have listened to me for a second?
Tow truck, a parking violation, 2 arrests, a potential felony, and 1 statement from the arresting officer that may invalidate the most serious charge on record.
Come here. Hey. You're not touching me. Okay.
You gotta come this way. Back up from me.
Hey, Eunice, give me a 44. Hey, stop. I need you to listen.
You're trying to take my car for what right now?
I need you.
And you're gonna let him?
I need you to listen.
And you're gonna let him?
Back up. He's doing his job. I need you to stop. I need you to stop. Relax. Stop. All right, now you're touching me. Get the on the ground. Get the on the ground. You don't touch me. What's wrong with you?
Look at this. Look at this.
Give me your hand.
Look at this. Look at
Field
this.
you want fighting one.
Look at this.
Give me your hand. Just give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yeah, you're gonna arrest. Don't touch me. What's wrong with you, little girl? What is wrong with you? Because you don't get to touch me like that. What is wrong with you? No, you just smacked my hand, girl. What's wrong with you? No, now you're going to jail for something stupid. Now you're going to jail for something stupid. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I'm not gonna say it again. You're gonna get tased. It's not gonna go in there. It's not gonna go nice for you. You need to give me your hand now. Give me your hand.
I didn't do anything
All right,
wrong.
relax.
I didn't do
Give me
anything
your hand.
wrong.
Give me your other hand now. Give me
wrong.
your other hand now. You are under arrest. Yeah, you can record everything. Everything's being recorded. All right, give me your other hand now. Give me your other hand now.
I'm not doing
Relax.
anything.
Give me your other hand now. Relax. You stop touching shit. You doesn't matter. Stop touching shit. You don't get to touch anything. Give me your hand now. Relax. Stop. You back the f up because you about to get tased. All right. You're gonna go to jail too. You're gonna go to jail too. Hey, secure her. All right. Hey, secure her. No. Keep playing around running your mouth. James, run your mouth. Charge your mouth. Hold out. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. I got you. Good. Secure here. She got you. Put your mouth, bro. Put her in handcuffs. No, you don't get to touch your equipment. We're going to jail. On the ground. Give me your hand. This is resisting. Look. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Resisting. Doesn't matter. It doesn't work that way.
How does it not matter? I got on the floor when you said get on the floor. Like you guys said get on the floor and I got on the floor. How is that resisting?
You know, they want to cancel the 44 because we got 2 detained.
I mean, I don't understand. Why am I in handcuffs when I got on the floor and you guys said
She's 10-15. Oh, we got a little weed. Nice.
of course I did. Okay,
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Put her in the car.
My little brother's upstairs. My little brother. What the
Hey, we need to talk.
no sense?
This first car right there.
You want mine or yours?
Right here, mine. Okay. Why are you two in the car?
She was parked here. The vehicle was left unattended.
Okay.
It says no parking. She's blocking the dumpster.
Okay.
I hooked it up. She came running down.
Okay.
Offered her the 6250 drop.
Okay.
She started talking hella shit. That bitch ass this, that, and the third. I'm like, look, if you continue, I'm gonna tow the car. She kept on. I started to set my dollies up. She would grab them and throw them into the grass.
Okay.
I went to set my bars
You're
up.
not gonna tell them how you push
I didn't push her. I don't have a body cam.
Everything's all recorded. You're good.
I'm walking
You got it.
with my dollies and she's trying to like push me out the way. and
So
stuff
which
like that.
one hit you?
No,
Any
they
of them hit you? They just pulled up?
See, they just pushed.
So
They just
which
basically hit.
whoever was grabbing the tow truck stuff?
That
I
was
saw
the-
her
the mom.
grab it.
The mom.
Okay. That's why she's in handcuffs.
The daughter, every time I would set my dollies up, she would grab them and toss them into the grass.
Okay.
The daughter, the one that
Well,
you
she's
cuffed.
going to jail for smacking my hand while I was trying to push her away. So that's resisting. She's going to jail for something else.
Well,
Anything happened to you besides her
No,
trying to block the job?
I'm not hurt. I'm not worried. I'm not hurt.
Perfect.
I'm not hurt.
So
I'm not hurt.
anything.
I was
so
trying to set my dollies up.
So besides her just trying to stop you from equipment, there's nothing else.
I'm grabbing my dollies. I'm just using that as an example real quick. Like she would like try to like like pushed me out the way.
Okay.
I didn't physically touch her. I didn't put my hands on her. Nothing. My hands were on my equipment the whole time.
Okay. So when you started towing up the truck or the car, what apartment did they come out of?
They were upstairs. They were kind of like, by the time I started to like lift, she was at the bottom steps. I didn't know it was her car. There's plenty of other cars. She didn't say, hey. No, she didn't say none of that.
Okay.
So I lifted the car. She came up. She actually opened my door.
Okay.
She yanked my door open. The daughter.
The one in the pink?
Yeah.
Okay.
She actually pulled my door. I was like, right there, we're going to stop right there because you're not going to sit there and yank my door open.
Okay.
That's a big no-no.
All right. And then you have authority to take calls from here from the
contract.
Beautiful. All right. I'll just need you to produce that.
When she took the bar off, is it probably damaged?
No, that's not going to damage like that. You think you're going to have to like run it over or something like that to damage that. My manager also told me to let you know that our signs are actually in the entrance.
Yeah, I know. I believe it. It's an apartment complex.
Blocking the dumpster is an automatic tow.
Is that an email that they send you?
No. This is our link. This is the things that we tow for, and what an automatic tow.
Okay. So just because she's going to jail, well, they both are. Send me that as well, because that's going to be added to the report. So it's covering you guys and your business, saying that this is what we do. This is how we operate. It's contracted to the complex. It's an automatic tow. You know what I'm saying? It's strengthening why you did what you did. That's all it is. Okay. All right, man. You good to go?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. He's good to go.
Good?
Yep.
Do we need him to write a statement? You wrote a statement
Yep,
already?
he already did that. We're good there.
Did he say, do we need him to file charges for tampering? Nah, he's good.
No, he's good. That could be added, if anything, but
No.
is she calm or what?
She seemed calm now. She's worried about her little brother.
Okay. All right, you calm? Calm enough? Okay, so right now you're going to jail for battering a law enforcement officer. You don't get to touch me. And on top of that, resisting. All that could have been avoided. All I was doing was pushing you away so we can talk about it. At the end of the day, he has a job to do. He has a contract from here to tow any vehicles that block that parking lot or that parking space. You chose to park there. That's no one's fault but yours. And all you had to do was just talk to me. But because you were such at a high elevated state, you didn't want to reason. Putting your hands on me is unacceptable. So that's what you're going to jail for.
I didn't put my hands on
Yes, you did. It's caught on camera. It's caught on camera.
All I did
You don't
was
get the
move
smack.
my
No.
hand.
No.
All I did was move your
Okay,
hand
listen.
away from my
You will get.
face.
That's your argument. That's what you want to stick with. You will get that in court. At the end of the day, you're still going to jail. Now, do you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Okay, so you have weed in your possession. Okay, so your mom is probably going to take a ride too, because she wanted to interfere and resist the officers over there. So all of this could have been avoided had you just would have listened to me for a second, and you chose not to. Your mom didn't make it any better because she thought I was violating your rights. At the end of the day, you guys have to listen, and nobody was listening at the moment of time I came to make contact with you. You already riled up in his grill before he was trying to do his job. You cannot do that. You cannot obstruct a tow truck driver. That's the problem here. You think you had that most, you didn't have that. You have to relax, breathe, let me talk to you. This probably could have figured out. You probably would be having your car right now if you would have just listened. Because he was going to say you're going to have to pay a fee for me to drop it, and then you take the car back. Ma'am, you were not trying to do. You were upset to the point that I couldn't even reason with you. And because I couldn't reason with you at that time, you decided to smack me, and I'm taking you to the ground.
I did not.
Okay, all right, that's fine. That's caught on body camera.
I did. I definitely
All right.
did. Was going to give him the money that he
Okay,
asked for. I
okay,
was literally calling and looking for it.
All right, so no medical marijuana card. Who's upstairs that you have to worry about?
My little brother, which is right there with that family, I don't even know who they are, and
Okay.
my little sister is upstairs sleeping.
So, do you have it?
Just kind of.
All right, we're gonna call somebody to see if we can get them situated. If not, we're gonna have to call DCF and they're gonna have to take it. See the gravity of what you could have done had you just listened. You're making it worse for the entire family because now I have to call them if there's no one else that can stay with those kids. Off of just a simple argument with a tow truck driver, you could have just avoided the situation by letting me explain or talk to you. She's going to jail. She's refusing the officers over there. You cannot fight officers that think they're going to get away with that.
She refused?
Listen. I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
No, I'm not arguing.
All right,
this is a conversation, isn't it?
We're done with that. She's going to jail as well.
So this is a one-sided conversation. Basically.
No,
That's what you're
she's
saying.
just going to jail. Do you have anything on your persons?
I do not. You want to check me?
Yeah, step out real quick. You got your camera on? Yeah.
No
Turn
problem.
around. Okay, take a seat.
Like I said, I'll say beforehand,
You better tell anything you have on here. I believe that you're telling the truth, but I always tell everybody this. It's better to tell the officer now. Have anything on you? No, I know, but I want to make sure.
I'm on. Does she have anybody to come take the kid or no?
I haven't spoke to her yet.
Is she here? Open up. All right. Just like I explained to your daughter, you're also going to jail for resisting. Now, do you have anybody here that can take care of your child? If not, I'm calling DCF.
Yeah.
Who?
The person who has him right now.
And who is he?
She's like an aunt to him. She's been here since we lived.
Okay. I can ask her, see if she wants to take him. If she doesn't, then like I said, we'll have to call DCF. Okay. Do you have anything on your persons? All right, step out. You have your camera? Turn around.
I mean, my phone's probably in the grass somewhere.
Yep. Well, I'll see if I can find it.
Well, I'll see if I can find it if you don't find it. I'm not going to leave my phone.
That's not my problem.
Oh, that's fine. That's
You
fine.
became the problem.
No, I didn't. I listened when I was
Okay.
told.
Okay.
So I'm not going to speak
All right.
no more.
Neither am I.
I got down
Neither
when
am
I was
I.
told and you guys
Neither am
told me all
I.
over.
Take a seat. She said whoever has the baby, she's okay with him going with her. Go ahead. Was that the weed? We gotta test it real quick. Yeah, if you can get a kit, yeah, and then just let me know. Perfect. All right, you want to transport that one?
Yeah, I got you. And this is on the daughter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Remember her ID's here?
Yeah, I got it.
And I sent you 2 screenshots of that statute.
Perfect. All righty.
What's happening right now? Okay, so you're
Graham v. Connor, 490 US, 386, 1,989. Force must be judged from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. 3 factors govern: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat, and active resistance or flight. Florida Statute Section 784.S even reclassifies battery on a law enforcement officer to a 3rd-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years. Section 784.3 requires the contact to be intentional and unconsented. Section 843.1, resisting with violence, 3rd-degree felony. Section 843.2, resisting without violence, 1st-degree misdemeanor. The dispositive question: was violence offered or done during the obstruction? Florida Statute Section 715.7 grants private property owners and their contractors statutory authority to remove vehicles from restricted areas. Under a signed removal contract, physical interference with a lawful tow carries criminal exposure. Section 806.13, criminal mischief, prohibits willful and malicious damage to another's property. Seizing and throwing tow equipment satisfies the actus reus of this offence regardless of whether measurable damage is proven. The arresting officer admitted initiating physical contact before the alleged battery. Section 784.3 requires the touching be intentional and unconsented when an officer initiates contact first. The subject's response raises a mens rea dispute that belongs to the trier of fact, not to a field determination. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 US, 451, 1,987. Verbal criticism of law enforcement, including profanity, is constitutionally protected speech. No criminal charge may rest on offensive words alone. Only physical conduct falls outside that protection. Schimmel v. California, 395 US, 752, 1,969. A warrantless search incident to a lawful arrest is constitutionally valid if the underlying arrest is found unlawful. All evidence seized becomes suppressible under the exclusionary rule. Florida Statute Section 893.13 subsection 6b. Possession of 20 grams or less of marijuana without a valid medical card is a 1st-degree misdemeanor. Its admissibility depends entirely on the legality of the preceding arrest. Practical rule when facing a disputed tow: the lawful remedy is the drop fee or a civil contest after the fact. Physical interference creates simultaneous exposure to criminal mischief, battery, and resisting arrest. The officer admitted pushing first. The charge requires intentional, unconsented contact. The marijuana was seized during an arrest that may be legally contested. Was the most serious charge here actually supportable under Florida law? What happened in court? Were the charges sustained or dismissed? Was the evidence suppressed? The footage ends, the legal proceedings did not.